Hi everyone, so today I am going to be swatching the all new The Perfect French kit from Dali, which has just been released on Sunday and is available to purchase on their website for £30 at the moment. So that's quite a good saving again, so let's go. First, I'm just going to zoom in a bit actually. The first one I am going to swatch is Satin Nude. This is a really nice, well, it's a little bit creamy. That's the first one, so Satin Nude. And then we have got Blush Frosting. Which is very similar, if not the same, as Grow Express pink frosting. So it's nice actually to have a gel polish like this, because I do have clients that like to have the pink frosting for a French. And next we've got Soft Pearl. This is definitely very sheer. So if you ladies are not wanting too much of a coverage or a pink tone, this is nice for that. I'm just going to get these swatched and I will be back. I mean cured, sorry, not swatched. So I have swatched Satin Nude, Blush Frosting and Soft Pearl. The Soft Pearl one, I've given that 3 coats. These have had 2. This one's had 3 just because it is really sheer. You might not need that on a client because don't forget these are on clear tips. And I'm going to French them. Pop a little bit. So glad that we've got this white paint now. Coming time for Christmas, definitely going to need that one. Right, let's give these a little French, testing out this paint. I love Dali paints, they're so thick and they don't budge. I'm not going to be doing this too great because I'm at a funny angle from my side. Let's do a small French. See, usually I just use my white gel polish to do French. So I'm not used to this thicker consistency, but it is really good to work with. These look terrible because of the angle, but just to give you an idea of what they all look like with the white. I'm shaking. Let me just get a better angle from over here. Oh, I think going very well. It's crazy, isn't it? Because if you look at all you do in your client's French and you do it from your angle, it looks completely different to when they're looking at it. When I turn that round, it looks horrendous. So that's why you need to be checking all your angles when you're doing French and nail art. Right, I'm just going to leave that one there because it's not going very well. I'll just pop some on this one. This is really thick, as are all Dali's paints, which makes them so good. Okay. And then pop a little bit on the Satin Nude. I know these are not dead straight, guys, but it's so hard from this angle that I'm working at. And the light is mega bright, so it's reflecting. Just going to quickly tidy them up a little bit. Even if you've already got the whites and the pinks and the sheers for French, which I have, I just find this kit really handy because I can just grab the tin, keep the tin on the desk, and then I can just grab the tin when somebody wants a French. And hopefully they'll have these colours. Definitely going to be popular is this frosting, blush frosting one, because the builder is Grow Gel, should I say. Keep correcting myself. So I'm just going to leave them as they are, because I don't want to bore you any more than I already have. So that is the French kit. So if you want to go on the website now and buy that, you can do. If you do buy that, you do get entries into the competition. I know if you purchased it on Sunday, you got 3 entries into the competition. I'm not sure if you get 2 or 3 or 1. I'm not sure what you get if you buy it after the competition, because it was just for Sunday, I think. So you just have to check that. But however, I'm going to get off and I will pop some stills onto the end of this and tidy these nails up a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys.